Okay, Thommy, are we ready? Are we ready to build another dinosaur?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Which dinosaur are we going to build today?
Like a Velociraptor.
Let's do it. Do we have the tools we need? What's this?
A screwdriver.
Yeah, and
A drill.
you got it. Okay. Can you open the bag? Thommy, you open the bag. Open it. Oh, that's really hard, huh? You want Daddy's help?
Okay, okay.
Okay, look. Look right here. They put a nice little helpful seam. They put a little opening where we can kind of give it a yank. There we go. Okay, we got it. We got it open. Okay, let's see. Let's dump out the parts. Let's put our tools over here. So we don't get them mixed up. There we go. We can put that off to the side. Oh,
Let's get our screws.
those are our screws. You remember, huh? Good job. Okay.
These are a Velociraptor's teeth.
Yep.
They are teeth. What is yours?
Oh, look at this. We know what this part is. That's his bottom jaw, huh? And you've got part of his head right there, right? So I think we learned a little lesson from last time. So maybe, I wonder if he has, oh, this one doesn't have a, yep, this one does have a little head piece. Let's see. Oh, I think I found it.
Oh, you found it?
I found that little head piece.
Oh, did you get a little head piece?
Goes in there just like that. And then we put this guy on there like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's like a Velociraptor.
I need a screw.
Oh, you need a screw?
Yep. Can you get a screw? And can you get the drill or the screwdriver? Whichever one you want.
I want a drill.
You want the drill? Okay. Oh, look, we have a new screw. They gave us another one. Now there's one for Thommy and one for Daddy. We can both have a screwdriver. Okay, let's put one right here so we can attach his head. Here, let's put this first screw. Our very first one right here. Look.
This is a Velociraptor feet.
That's right. We're going to get to that part. Do you want to put the first screw in? Do you want to put the screw right here in his head? Here, let's get that one. Let's get that screw and put it in.
Oh, that one?
Here, get that screw. Where does it go?
It goes right here.
It goes right there. Good job. How are you going to get it in there?
Good.
You going to do the drill?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to just get it straight. I'm going to give it a couple turns. There we go. One little turn. Now it's ready for you.
Let's go clockwise.
Okay. Because clockwise makes it tight, right? Righty-tighty. Oh, good job lining it up with your other hand. Oh, that's the other way. You got to go the other way. You were going counterclockwise. Okay, let's tighten it up again. Here. Try again with the drill. Try again. Yeah, that's it. There you go.
Righty, tighty, lefty, lefty.
Oh, good memory. Here, Daddy's going to help you get that in there. And then you push the button. Oh, and the clicking means it's tight. Good job.
Well, let's put the...
Okay, let's put the rest of it together, okay? Okay. We tightened all the screws. We make sure they're all nice and secure. And what do we have?
A Velociraptor.
Oh my goodness. He's so fast. Like you. Is he the fastest running dinosaur?
Yeah.
That's our Velociraptor. Let's go play with him.
Let's go play with the dinosaur. Come on.
See you next time.